Hello and welcome to Farming 4.0. Today we are exploring the harvesting and processing of Himalayan salt. We will see how this unique pink salt is manually extracted from the mines in the Himalayan mountains, cleaned, sorted, and prepared to reach you in its purest form. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and activate the bell to stay updated with all our news. Enjoy! The extraction of pink Himalayan salt from the Kivra mine in Punjab, Pakistan, is a complex process that blends traditional methods with modern technology. The process begins with geologists and miners identifying rich salt deposits. Instead of using explosives, miners use pickaxes to carefully break large salt blocks, ensuring the preservation of the crystals. This manual method, although labor-intensive, maintains the exceptional purity and quality of the salt. After the large salt blocks are detached using a pickaxe, they are extracted and transported to the surface. The process involves both modern mechanical equipment and traditional manual mining methods. One of the beauties of extracting pink Himalayan salt is that traditional mining techniques passed down through generations are still used to protect and respect the surrounding environment and natural resources. Once at the surface, the salt blocks are carefully sorted. This is a crucial step where miners manually remove impurities or use specialized equipment. The salt is then classified based on size and color. The distinctive pink color of this salt comes from its content of minerals and trace elements such as iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which not only give it its hue but also numerous beneficial properties for health. After sorting, the salt undergoes cutting and processing. Large salt blocks are cut into smaller forms such as crystals, pieces, or powder, depending on market demands. For instance, some market segments prefer fine salt for cooking, while others may want larger pieces for decorative purposes or use in wellness products. Processing may also involve grinding to obtain fine salt. The Himalayan salt lamp is a lighting fixture consisting of a block or crystal of Himalayan salt, typically in a pink or orange hue, often used as decor and for its purported health benefits, such as improving air quality by releasing negative ions into the atmosphere. Finally, the salt is carefully packaged for distribution on the market. Packaging is done under strict hygienic conditions, ensuring that the final product is pure and safe for consumption. Each step of the packaging process is meticulously monitored to maintain the high-quality standards that consumers expect from pink Himalayan salt. In conclusion, the extraction of pink Himalayan salt is a meticulous process that respects both tradition and innovation, aiming to deliver a natural product rich in essential minerals and appreciated for its benefits. This natural resource is of invaluable beauty and worth, and each salt crystal is a testament to the richness and generosity of nature. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.